for some reason, 2 yellow safety helmets
Well,
hanging in the ceiling.
Yes, this was the three of us, in fact, Daniel Lenoir, the producer, David Rose, guitar, and myself, would don the 3 yellow hats. The third one is missing.
It is.
And dance whenever we were performing. So this is a very important part of the recording process.
How actually do you, they're throwing it down, catch?
See, I have a big head, and I don't think this one fits me.
Yes, it looks great.
Something
Totally
like
transforms the look.
Red rain is coming down. Red rain is coming down. Red rain is pouring down all over me. Well, I've seen them buried in a sheltered place in this town. They tell you that this rain can sting and look down.